Rihanna's and Greta's tweet on farmers brought a wave of discussion on Twitter all over the world, but the question arises whether these tweets were a natural reaction or was it all a planned chain campaign. Keep watching and you'll get your answer by the end of this video. At first instance, this might have appeared to be a natural reaction, but then Greta by mistake tweeted the document link which consisted all the details of how the chain of events will take place in protest and when and how these celebs will tweet and outrage accordingly. Marina Peterson was the one who modified the document of the campaign, and Extinction Rebellion even shared this toolkit document link on their Facebook page. The document shared by Greta showed that the Poetic Justice Foundation will help provide material and other requirements during the protest. This Poetic Justice Foundation runs the website www.askindiawhy.com and its founder is Emo Dhaliwal. One can clearly see from the post of Emo Dhaliwal, the founder of Poetic Justice, clearly supporting Khalistan movement. Poetic Justice documents evidently show how all the events were planned from January 3 to January 26 riots. They plan to destroy the image of India, create global disruption against India using riots of January 26, considering this as the war against India. The Skyrocket PR firm which hired Rihanna to tweet, and CNN wrote the article so that Rihanna can tweet and share the same, creating global backlash against India on social media. The one mistake by Greta clearly exposed how they all are linked to disrupting the image of India on a global level, how they are funded globally and running the planned campaign against India. But remember, one thing, this is New India and will protect its integrity and sovereignty at all cost. Bollywood celebs and cricket stars coming together to raise voice against these external threats clearly show how India is united against these global threats. We trust and support PM Modi's saying,
मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा.